Hello everyone, it's Szymon Wyrembak from HCM Deck and your host at tomorrow's Best Practices Day. I really can't wait to see all of you tomorrow morning, and I prepared this short video just to show you how to log into the event tomorrow and how to navigate through the virtual lobby. All you need to do is to click to the Go to the Event button, and that will redirect you to the event virtual lobby. All you need to do here is to scroll down to the sessions section, and as you can see, you have 3 different sessions in here. The live stage is the first one. This is where all the discussion panels, presentations, and discussion is going to happen, and it is going to be all broadcasted live from Venture Cafe in Warsaw. If you want to join the session, you just need to click it. It will open another tab, and this is kind of a waiting room. You see the registration confirmation bar in here. And once the webinar starts, once the event starts, it will redirect you to the live experience that you can enjoy. Easy peasy. If you have any questions regarding the event, how to join, how to log in, if you have any troubles, don't hesitate to contact us at any time. I really can't wait for tomorrow. See you all there.